Hello students, today we are going to discuss about one of the interesting topic, what is an argument in discrete mathematics. Okay, so let us consider the mathematical definition in discrete mathematics. An argument is a sequence of statements or premises that ends in a conclusion, which is nothing but let us consider a list of statements or a list of premises from which conclusion follows, then it is called an arguments in discrete mathematics. Okay, so for example, we consider one example. Let us consider two different premises. One is if I jump, then I will fall. Okay, second one, I jump. Okay, so using these two premises from which the conclusion follows what? Obviously, we get what? I will fall once. Okay, so this is called an arguments in discrete mathematics. In premises 1, we have two different statement is there. One is I jump. So we consider I jump is P variable. Let us consider P is I jump. Okay. And Q is I will fall. Okay. In second premises, we have only P statement that is I jump. So using these two premises, we can write what? Conclusion. Right. How to write conclusion? These two premises from which the conclusion follows what? I will fall. Okay, this is nothing but Q. So how to write symbolic form in the given example? So that is nothing but in premises 1, we consider P then Q. In second premises, we have only P statement. Okay. So using these two premises, we can write the conclusion is what? I will fall. That is nothing but Q. So therefore, the given arguments is called what? Valid arguments. What is valid arguments? When a conclusion is proved from the given premises, then the given arguments are called what? Valid arguments. Otherwise, it is invalid. Okay. So what is arguments? A list of statements or list of premises from which conclusion follows. That is called an arguments. Okay. So let us consider example. We consider two premises. If I do the dishes, then my wife will be happy with me. Okay. So second premises is I do the dishes only. Okay. So using these two premises, we can write conclusion is what? My wife is happy with me. Okay. So here, how to write symbolic form? The first premises we consider I do the dishes is P statement. Okay, let us consider Q is my wife will be happy with me. Okay, so therefore the symbolic form is P then Q P. So we can write what the conclusion is my wife is happy with me. That is nothing but Q. Okay. Okay, so therefore the given arguments are called valid arguments. So what is valid arguments? When a conclusion is proved from the given arguments, then it is called valid, otherwise it is invalid. Let us consider another example. So we consider two different premises. One is if I eat too much, my stomach will be hurt. Second premises is my stomach does not hurt. So what can I do? I do not eat too much of food, right? So therefore the conclusion is what? I do not eat too much. Okay. So here in premises 1, what is how many statements are there? Two different statement is there. One is I eat too much. So we consider P equal to I eat too much. Second statement is what? My stomach will be hurt. So we consider that is Q. Okay. Coming to second premises, what is second premises? My stomach does not hurt. That is not a new statement. That is nothing but negation of a Q statement. Okay. So this is yes, no, this is no. So therefore, using these two premises, we can write the conclusion is what? I do not eat too much. That is nothing but negation P. Okay. So we write a symbolic form from the given arguments. How to write symbolic form? P then Q. Okay. So what is second premises? Negation Q. So using these two premises, we can write the conclusion is what? I do not eat too much. That is nothing but negation P. What is P? I eat too much. We need to prove conclusion is what? I do not eat too much. Okay. Therefore, the given arguments are called what? Valid arguments. What is valid arguments? When a conclusion is proved from the given premises, then the arguments are called valid, otherwise it is invalid. Okay. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.